He whispers to the clams and they hear him. He's out there with his clam rake, they don't fear him. They only want to be near him. The clam whisperer, the clam whisperer, he's the clam whisperer.
Hi, this is Colton, and I am in SOUTHOLD, New York, and I'm about to go clamming for saltwater Cherrystone clams. Cameraman, if you could just zoom in on this. This is a American clam rake, and it's sort of like your garden variety, except there is a basket in the back, and the distance that's between these bars is there for a reason. It's to regulate the size that you're allowed to keep. We do have a license, and we absolutely want to be compliant with the law. They take clamming very seriously here on the North Fork of Eastern Long Island, and we do not want to lock antlers with the local clam warden. So we're going to drive over to the clamming grounds and see if we can get some dinner. Hi, we traveled about 5 minutes from my dad's house, and now I am here at a very secluded saltwater beach at low tide. It's not exactly what we call dead low, but it's an outgoing low tide, and what I'm going to be doing is going out as far as I can up to my neck, and I'm going to use the clam rake to actually put it into the bottom. Now, as I pull the tongs along the bottom, the sound and the feel on the wood in your hand is very different when the tong scrapes a rock versus what it feels like when it scrapes the shell of a clam, which is just below the surface. When you feel that clam sensation, that feel, that scraping, that is when you back up and you dig around it. So I'm going to actually head out there. Follow me. Okay, it's time for the rake to beat the clam. Just wanted you to know something. I just come from a long line of clammers. My father, who is holding the camera to the clammer, his father, my grandfather, was a clammer, and what Papa Colton, my grandfather, used to tell me was, if you're going to go out there and assume the mantle of the rake, if you want to catch a clam, think like a clam. So, I'm going to go out there into the clam zone, and I'm going to catch some clams. All in all, I would say it was a very successful clam outing if you can take a shot of this. I was out there about maybe 12-13 minutes, and we got some very nice sized clams here. This will make a very nice chowder. And as I was out there, I remembered something that was taught to me ever since I was a little boy. It's called the Clammer's Code, and it goes something like this. When it comes to clamming, take what you need and leave the rest to the next guy. And I've really enjoyed sharing this with you. I wish you luck. Sometimes you'll be out there and you'll really believe that you're connected to the clam. And if you become a clam whisperer, you will start to feel like I do. Clams are in my blood. So this is Colton signing off from beautiful SOUTHOLD, New York. We'll see you next time.
He whispers to the clams and they hear him. He's out there with his clam rake, they don't fear him. They only want to be near him. The clam whisperer, the clam whisperer, he's the clam whisperer.